I'm making strawberry muffins warm from the oven for my husband Jeffrey, who'll be ready for breakfast after a walk in the snow on the beach. I need 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Just lighten it a little with a cup and then measure it without packing it down. That's 1 and 2, 3. Great. The next thing I need is a tablespoon of baking powder. I want them to be really light and fluffy. Half a teaspoon of baking soda. Half a teaspoon of salt. And lots of cinnamon, 1½ tablespoons of cinnamon. That's about right, 1½. Perfect. I'm just gonna sift them all together. Just make sure there's nothing in it that you don't want in your muffins. Next, the wet ingredients. So first I need 1¼ cups of milk. I'm just gonna do it all in a pitcher so I can measure it together. Perfect. 2 eggs, which I've already beaten. I love muffins because they're so easy to make. And the 2 sticks of melted butter. I'm just gonna pour them right in. Whoa, just made it. And then I'm just gonna make a well right in the middle of the flour and pour the wet ingredients right in. The nice thing about muffins is you don't have to make them in a mixer or a food processor, just a big bowl, that's all you need. The less you mix them, the better they are. They get sort of tough. So just stir this around, and then I'm gonna chop up lots of fresh strawberries. So I need 2 cups of chopped strawberries. These are really gorgeous strawberries from California. And I think I'm just gonna dice them, big pieces, because when you bite into the muffin, what you wanna be sure is you get a little, like a bite of the fresh strawberry. Okay, this should be about 2 cups of fresh strawberries. I'm just gonna put it right into the mix. They smell so good. And just fold them right in. The thing about muffins is if you have a good basic mix, you can really put anything you like in them. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. And 1½ cups of sugar. Actually put the sugar in last. It makes the muffins a little bit crunchy, which is nice. Just stir that in. Okay, ready to scoop. I'm gonna show you my secret for professional looking muffins. It's an ice cream scoop. Every muffin's gonna be exactly the same size. I've lined muffin pans with paper liners. I usually get 16 to 18 muffins out of this, and my scoop is gonna be perfect. Into the oven, 375 for about 20 to 25 minutes. And Jeffrey's gonna have hot strawberry muffins when he comes back from his walk. Perfect timing. I made strawberry muffins while you were walking on the beach.
Oh,
Would you like one?
Yeah, I'd love 2.
You'd love to?
Yeah.
How about this one? It's a strawberry muffin.
Ooh,
I hope you like
great.
it. Is that good?
Isn't that delicious?